Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your dryer is making a banging noise. Watch the video until the end to learn this and more. The following are some reasons why your dryer is making a banging noise and how to fix it. Number 1. Frayed drive belt. Number 2. Damaged drum seal. Or number 3. Damaged drum rollers. Fix these by doing the following. Access and replace the drive belt. Unplug the dryer from the power supply. Disassemble the back panel. Detach the belt from the drum pulley and motor spindle and check for any damages. If the belt is damaged, purchase a new one and fit it back on the drum pulley. Access and replace the drum seal. Turn off the dryer, locate the dryer cabinet and open it as per the manual. Assess for any damage on the drum seal. If you find any, replace it. Access and replace the drum rollers. Over time, a non-active dryer leads to a flattened roller, while continual use leads to wear out of the rollers. Fix this by contacting a professional to replace any damaged rollers. And there you have it. These are the reasons why your dryer is making a banging noise and how to fix it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.